Welcome to Ping 24 Updates. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Subic Bay, Philippines, October 8, 2025. A new era of naval strength dawns for the Philippines. Two brand new frigates built in the historic shipyards of Subic Bay have officially joined the fleet. This is more than an acquisition. It's a turning point for a nation determined to safeguard its waters. For decades, the Philippine Navy relied on aging, second-hand vessels. Today, that changes. The arrival of these frigates is the result of years of planning, investment, and hard work. The Philippines is now a builder of its own advanced defense assets. This achievement inspires a new generation and signals a bold step towards self-reliance. The vision, a modern, credible, and self-reliant naval force capable of defending the country's vast maritime territory. Building these warships locally was a calculated risk, one that paid off. Filipino engineers and leaders met the challenge head-on, proving their world-class capability. These ships are floating fortresses of national resolve, products of strategic partnership and belief in Filipino talent. The journey was filled with technical and economic challenges, but the result silences any doubt. The sight of these frigates ready for duty is a powerful symbol of what the Philippines can achieve. This is a story of national pride and ambition. The Philippines is no longer just a recipient of foreign military aid, it is a creator. These ships are more than steel and technology, they are a testament to Filipino craftsmanship. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter for the Philippine Navy. The nation stands united, proud, and ready to defend its sovereignty. This is just the beginning. Subic Bay erupts in celebration as thousands gather to witness history. Families, officials, and citizens wave flags as BRP Agam and BRP Bayanihan glide into the harbor. Fireboats salute, ship horns echo, and sailors in crisp uniforms stand at attention, pride and excitement on their faces. For these sailors, this is a career-defining moment. They are the first to operate these state-of-the-art vessels. Their extensive training, both local and abroad, has prepared them for this responsibility. The connection between the sailors and the people is palpable. High-ranking officials speak of a new chapter in national defense, emphasizing the importance of these ships for securing the West Philippine Sea. The commissioning ceremony is a solemn promise. These vessels will stand as vigilant guardians. The frigate's sleek, stealthy hulls and advanced systems are a sight to behold. Larger and more powerful than any before, they are packed with sensors, weapons, and communications. These are not just patrol boats. They are multi-role warships, ready for modern threats. The scale and capability of these ships mark a new era for the Philippine Navy. Today, the nation welcomes its new guardians. The names BRP Agam and BRP Bayanihan were chosen with purpose. Agam Science embodies the technological leap and commitment to innovation. This frigate is a floating laboratory, inspiring a focus on science and engineering for national progress. Bayanihan Cooperation reflects the Filipino spirit of unity and communal effort. Built by Filipino hands, it symbolizes national cooperation and the desire for regional peace. Together, these names fuse modern technology with timeless values. The frigates are more than military hardware, they are cultural icons. For sailors, these names are a daily reminder of their mission, to protect not just territory, but a way of life. The excitement is nationwide. Students learn about the ships. Social media buzzes with pride. These ships have captured the public imagination, providing a symbol of progress and hope. In a world of challenges, their presence reassures and inspires. The Philippines stands resilient and capable. These ships are proof. These frigates mark a quantum leap for the Philippine Navy. Equipped with advanced combat management systems, they integrate radar, sonar, and weapons for rapid, informed decisions. Armed with surface-to-surface and surface-to-air missiles, advanced torpedoes, and a 76mm main gun, they are ready for any threat. A helicopter deck and hangar allow for anti-submarine helicopters, extending reach and surveillance. This air asset multiplies the ship's effectiveness, enabling a single frigate to control vast sea areas. Compared to legacy ships, the difference is night and day. The new frigates are built for high-intensity conflict, not just coastal patrol. They can project power, defend shipping lanes, and operate with allied navies. This leap elevates the Philippine Navy to a regionally significant maritime force. The era of outdated ships is over, the future is here. The story of these frigates is also the story of Subic Shipyard's rebirth. Once a major U.S. naval base, Subic Bay has been revitalized through a partnership with Hyundai Heavy Industries. HHI brought expertise and technology, but crucially, built the ships with a Filipino workforce. This partnership meant massive transfer of skills, engineers, welders, and electricians trained to world-class standards. Building warships is complex, demanding precision and integration of advanced systems. The collaboration established Subic as a modern shipbuilding center. The Philippines now has the infrastructure and skilled labor to build and maintain its own warships. This is a strategic asset, reducing dependence on foreign shipyards. The partnership with HHI is a model for future projects. Foreign investment paired with local development. It was more than business. It was a genuine collaboration. Filipino dedication and skill brought the vision to life. The result? 2 world-class frigates and a shipyard ready for the future. Subic is now a cornerstone of national defense. Building these frigates sparked a powerful economic ripple in Subic and beyond. Thousands of Filipinos gained high-value skills: welding, electrical work, naval engineering. These are now part of the national workforce, ready for future projects. The supply chain reached deep into local businesses, from materials to services, boosting growth and creating jobs. Defense spending became a driver of economic development, circulating money at home. Taxes from workers and companies funded public services, creating a virtuous cycle. The upgraded Subic Shipyard is now a national asset, able to compete globally. The Philippines can build commercial vessels and offer repair services to foreign navies. This positions the country as a new player in the maritime industry. The investment in these frigates laid the foundation for a sustainable, profitable shipbuilding sector. National security and economic growth now go hand in hand. The future is bright. The Philippine Navy's history was defined by hand-me-down ships, old, outdated, and hard to maintain. Recent modernization brought better patrol vessels, but true surface combatants were missing. Older ships lacked advanced sensors, long-range missiles, and modern communications. Maintenance was a constant struggle for obsolete parts. These limitations left the Navy at a disadvantage. The arrival of BRP Agam and BRP Bayanihan is a definitive break from the past. These are brand new ships, built to Philippine requirements. They feature the latest sensors, weapons, and command systems. Designed for interoperability with allies, they mark a fundamental shift in defense strategy. The Navy is no longer reliant on second-hand vessels. The transition to a modern force is complete. The Philippines now stands as a credible regional maritime power. Building these frigates locally is a strategic imperative for the Philippines. Relying on foreign suppliers creates vulnerabilities, disrupted supply chains, embargoes, delays. Domestic shipbuilding puts control in Filipino hands, building true defense self-reliance. Local shipyards mean faster, more affordable repairs and upgrades. The Navy can now customize future ships to meet evolving threats. This project built a dynamic, responsive defense industry. The lessons learned: technology integration, workforce training, project management are invaluable. The success of this program opens the door to even more ambitious projects. The Philippines now has the confidence and technical foundation to build larger warships. The nation is no longer just dreaming of a modern navy, it is building one, step by step. Self-reliance is now reality. As the sun sets over Subic Bay, BRP Agam and BRP Bayanihan stand as sentinels of a new era. These ships are more than fleet additions. They are the start of a new chapter for the Philippines. They represent the nation's resolve to protect its sovereignty and maritime resources. Their presence strengthens the Philippines' position in the West Philippine Sea and deters threats. The frigates enable the Navy to participate in joint exercises and patrols with allies, fostering regional security. This day is a collective achievement, showing what vision and unity can accomplish. Built by Filipino hands, these ships inspire the next generation to pursue science, engineering, and service. They are a testament to Filipino resilience and innovation. Today, the BRP Agam and BRP Bayanihan begin their watch as guardians of the archipelago. This is the proud start of the Navy's most important chapter yet. The watch has begun.